So this week could decide everything. Here's the 4 events you don't want to miss. The biggest event is Thursday morning at 8:30, where we get 2 major reports at the same time. First, we have PCE inflation, which is unfortunately still expected to go up from 3.8 to 4.1%. The core inflation is forecasted to go from 3.3 to 3.4%. Then we also have the Q1 GDP revision dropping at the same time. It's expected to stay the same at 1.6%. If inflation rises and growth stays flat, a rate hike becomes even more likely. Then, on Friday after the market closes, SpaceX is expected to enter the Russell 1000 and Russell 3000 indexes. This could result in $2.68 billion of passive buying, according to analysts. SpaceX should enter the NASDAQ early next month. On the earnings front, we have 7 interesting companies this week. On Tuesday, we have Carnival and FedEx for the consumer and shipping economy, and Cerebras for the AI infrastructure trade. But the biggest day is on Wednesday with Micron, the HBM and AI memory company, and Paychex for the labor market. Then on Thursday, we have Wise and BlackBerry. And if you're interested in knowing which companies report next, you can get this earnings calendar every week by mail for free if you create an account on Quarter Chart. Finally, this week could mark the end of the Middle East conflict. The peace deal was signed last week, but the Strait of Hormuz was closed again yesterday. This week will show whether the stability is confirmed or not. We'll break this down and more throughout the week, so if you don't want to miss anything, tap the follow button.